Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's last week before Christmas and the last push before Christmas, I would say. US dollar retreats. We're going to take a look at the majors in about a minute. But we don't have many events, which is pretty normal this week. Next week is going to be most probably slow. And we are starting the new 2022, guys. Wish you Merry Christmas, of course, happy holidays, quiet, and of course, I hope you're gonna spend it with your families. So let's take a look what we got on the calendar, and after that, the charts. Monday, practically not much except the loan prime rate, interest rate from Bank of China. They cut the interest rates from 3.85% to 3.80. Not a much cut, but still. It's a fracture, but still it's going to support the businesses. This is, I think, the first step from the Chinese bank that is indicating support of the Chinese companies, and that's what's gonna simply gonna be the focus for 2022. Next year, the Chinese companies is going to be very interesting. Tuesday, yesterday, core retails in Canada monthly basis, it went up. Didn't meet forecast. Actual is 1.3% from minus 0.2, which is kind of positive information about the retail sales in Canada. Wednesday, today we got gross domestic product for US and UK in about 30-40 minutes. In US 1:30 p.m. 1:30 GMT time. 3 p.m. we have consumer confidence, important event especially right now for the US economy and the US consumers, of course. Existing home sales exactly the same time, 3 p.m. GMT. Crude oil inventories 3:30 p.m. Crude oil recovers the recent drop, but still stays fragile. Bear in mind that if you're gonna take any crude oil trades, be very careful because it can go anywhere. I'm still bullish on it. Thursday, tomorrow, we have core durable good orders, 1:30 p.m. GMT, same time initial jobless claims, very important event for the labor market in US, gross domestic product in Canada, 1:30 p.m. GMT, and new home sales, 3 p.m. for US. Something pretty interesting, guys. Elon Musk says he sold enough Tesla stocks. Let's see. He is considered as the richest person in the world right now, and Tesla made a significant push to the upside the last couple of years, reaching pretty high amount. Let's take a look what is yet to come. Bitcoin is struggling to push higher. Right now is fighting with $49,000. Just it's fluctuating the last 2 weeks after the big drop that happened from 54,000 to 42,000, $12,000. It was a sharp decline for less than an hour or two. So the Bitcoin is also very fragile, pretty normal. People are cashing out profits for Christmas. Let's take a look what's going on the chart. Your US dollar in front of us tried to push higher 2 days ago, since the beginning of this week, 60 pips. Probably euro is going to behave like this until Christmas, but still remaining bullish on the euro USD. Still, the Federal Reserve haven't increased the interest rates. No reason to see the dollar pushing up big time. GBP USD, quite the same. As you can see, it tried to test the resistance. It did it actually, but tried to break it out. 140, 150 pips for a couple of days, push to the upside, and right now most probably will continue the same behavior. Australian USD holding between the lines, 0.7170, 0.71. As you can see, very clearly tested, and it will continue most probably. If we see hard breakout of these levels, I'm gonna be quite surprised considering the low volatility we are having right now. New Zealand US, the same is just as you can see, testing twice the resistance level, push down. Yesterday we got 60 pips push to the upside, but for now it's slipping. Nothing much to say here. yeah, it's quite normal price behavior, guys. Around these holidays, it's usually the volatility is getting a little bit lower. The direction of the charts is a little bit unclear, so it's absolutely normal. USD Canadian, something that I am a little bit surprised. It's still pushing up. I'm still remaining bearish. Almost reached 1.30 up, as you can see, just 30 40 pips away, which is a very strong resistance level. Remaining bearish on the USD Canadian, just waiting crude to push even further up. Right now is holding $71.30 per barrel, and I personally expect to see crude pushing up 74.20, 77, even why not $80 again per barrel. Totally bullish, remaining totally bullish on the crude. So once we see the crude pushing up, this is the moment when we're gonna see the USD Canadian going down. So this could be also a very good opportunity. USD Swiss franc is very hectic right now. As you can see, just take a look, up and down, up and down, up and down on a daily basis the last 2 weeks. It's walking on our nerves. 0.9240 is our price currently, right between in the middle of these boundaries. 0.9296, 0.93 round number, very big and strong support, a resistance level, and 0.9112, very strong support. So USD Swiss, I would leave it for now to see how it's going to react until it breaks out either the support or the resistance. Then I'm going to have a little bit more like direction of it. I mean, it's like which direction to take. USD Japan is also the same. Just take a look, respecting very clearly the support and the resistance levels. No man's land, as we love to say, 114.14. And right now we're just waiting to see how it's going to behave around the support or the resistance level. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us in the social medias. This is how you support our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Of course, if you have any questions, get back to me, guys. And of course, make some money, please, until Christmas. There is still time. Bye bye for now.